Stop by to interact with the community and I every Friday night at 8 o'clock for live stream Fridays.
Welcome, trolls. First sees all.
Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Schwartz. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. You're looking at very nice footage that I've gathered up throughout the month of February. We're just in February now. The moon is out. I'm actually filming the daytime moon again because I want to get some comparisons. What do you think of the comparisons, guys? The last video, 4:30, the moon during the day as compared to 8:30 at night, there was a drastic tilt in the axis. And I'm going to go see that again today. So right now, I'm getting some daytime footage. I went out at 4 o'clock this time instead of 4:30. And I will do some more comparisons as I am intending on getting out at 7 o'clock. So we'll see the change in 3 hours time as compared to the 4 hours yesterday. Just some interesting tests because it's nothing new. Libration is not new, and NASA has told us that the moon does have an uneven wobble. But I'm telling you, we're seeing the proof of it by doing these tests. But it's drastic because I didn't think it was that... the access was that much of a change in so short of a time. That's what I was really surprised to see. Really nice footage here, guys. I gathered some really nice footage for February. Tonight, you will see some footage that I will have gotten tonight, of course, hoping, fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure that I should, but if not, I'll get some with the P900 like I'm doing right now. At the same time as I'm recording this audio, I see my camera outside filming the moon. It's a sunny day, so I'm filming during a sunny day. The sun is out, no clouds, and we're seeing a beautiful high-resolution moon with the P900 that you guys will see later. But the comparisons are really cool because we see that the moon's not only rotated, guys, it's actually shifted back or forth. So you got the top north side rolling back and you got the bottom Tycho crater that's coming up towards Earth. And now we're talking about 12% difference, guys, in the moon. Did you know that? When the moon is closest or furthest, we're talking about a 12% difference, almost 100,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm outside filming the moon right now during the day, and I'll be getting the telescope out tonight, setting up the video too, so that you guys can sort of see what I'll be doing outside this evening. What I do when I'm outside, freezing my butt off with the telescope. Wish me luck, guys.